Check this out, this is the brand new M18 Fuel 3-in-1 backpack vac from Milwaukee. Powered by a brushless motor, this M18 vacuum cleaner will turn over 93 cubic meters of air per hour with 18 Kpa of sealed suction. This vacuum can be operated in 3 ways. You can either wear it, carry it, or you can easily remove the backing plate, revealing a hook so you can hang it on a ladder, a cage, or on your shop wall. This vacuum has dual speed, which can be changed at the flick of a switch. It's also worth noting that this vacuum has a HEPA filter, which catches the really fine dust. The tank's got capacity for 3.7 litres of dust and waste. To empty it, you slide out the tank, dump your waste, slide it back in, and you are ready to work. In terms of noise, the vacuum maxes out at 76 dB, which is not loud at all. It is a powerful, versatile vacuum cleaner that can clean up your shop or site or double as a portable dust extractor for your individual tools. If you've got any questions at all about the M18 Fuel backpack vac from Milwaukee, hit me up in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim, you're watching Sydney Tools TV.